Hey guys, guess what? We have got more Proline tires up for grabs. So write me a comment why you need these tires. You got new rigs, you're building old rigs, you're changing old rigs, your tires are tired, or you just need to upgrade your tires. Write me a comment, guys. The guys who write me a comment, I will put you guys in the final draw and let's see who wins the final prize. Now let's get back into today's video.
Hey, Adam, contact me, man. On Instagram, Boris Worx. On Facebook, Turtle Works. Contact me so I can send you those tires, my friend.
Hey guys, today we're going to be working on our new RC rock crawler course. I know it's been a while that we've been working on that, but I have got a very good idea how we're going to get a couple of rocks into position. Once I've done that, and I'm going to be breaking my back on that, I know by now. Those rocks are not funny. So after we put them all together, then obviously we're going to take the TRX4 and try out the new trail to see where we can add a few more things, or if it's too technical, or if the car just doesn't make it. So then we're going to do a couple of test runs on the trail to see how far we get. So first let's drive up there and get to work. Come on, Bobby, come on. So I got some of my tools ready. I got my trusty chainsaw. I got one of those big side cutters to get rid of some big twigs. And this is my pitchfork. And here I have one of these homemade rock or boulder movers. As you can see, it already has a kink in it. So let's get to work. Let's move some of these rocks around. So here we are at the track. I've got a couple of essential tools to maybe clean up this area at the top here. There are some very cool rocks underneath this section that we can use for some rock crawling. Then what we need to do is we need to kind of join the big rocks together with some smaller rocks in between so that we can actually get a trail going. So I've got my work cut out for me. Let's get to it and let's see how we can get these rocks together so we can get a very, very nice trail. So, moving boulders around. Not funny, eh? I think I'm going to go on YouTube, figure out how the Egyptians did this. Where are those Egyptians, bro? Bring them all. Okay, who's up for a small test drive? Let's check this out. See where we get stuck, where we have to add some rocks, where we have to change. Oh boy, that's really getting tough right there. I haven't even joined the course yet, people. Jeez, what is that? That is just leaves. And a big stick. Come on. Yeah, taking it a bit tighter, looking it right. This stuff is hard, man. Okay, here we go. Coming onto the course. And that's not too bad. Finding grip, very nice. Oop, dropping that tire. Let's see if we can slip through this. Up, a little bit of speed, no. Go back. And put a full right to get that tire, to find some grip, the right front tire. There you go. Straighten it out with a bit of speed. No, that wasn't enough. Do it again, full right, finding a bit of grip there. Oh, here we go. Ooh! I was getting stuck with filming there, but kind of didn't watch what I was doing. Man, this is quite nice. This is technical stuff. Oh boy, okay. Easy. Getting stung by a fly now. It's the last thing I need. Okay. No. Back up a bit. And power. Yes, there we go. Nice. You see, I haven't quite thought that hole through yet, but let's see how far we get with this. I think I'm going to need a bit of speed. I think once I fall down there, I'm done with the back wheels. So, okay. Not really. Okay, I'm going to have to put something smallish into that bottom section of the rocks here so that that tire doesn't drop so far. Let's see if that helps. And now, wrong direction. Whoa, don't use it now. Really digging in right now. There we go, got it. Now, look a bit more left. And she's over. Good. Now off she goes. Oh, damn it. See if I can get up on that rock. Out the car, falling. Gosh. Steady. Have we made it? Yes, we've made it. There we go. Oh man. I'm really balancing out here. Let's go backwards. Turn to the left and let's see if I can make it that way. I don't think I'll find any grip on this. Well, it didn't fall off this time. Ooh! Okay, there's definitely gonna have to be a change in this section here quickly. Let me get my head around that and see what I'm gonna do there. Okay, next try. Bit out of breath here. Taking it easy, very nice. Okay, this is now, these rocks have literally been turned around, flipped upside down, so that we can find a different line, different route. There we go, that is near perfect. Just climb up there. Next to nothing. Now let's see how the back fares. I think I've got enough grip. Yes, I do. Let's see if I drop down onto these rocks. Maybe it's slight reverse. Dropping down. And I should be, oh, I'm not good. Straighten out my steering. Let's do another back up quickly. And, no! Fall into that hole again. I don't want to fall into that hole with a... Ooh, oh wow, that was nice. Side, oh wow. The left rear has really dropped quite far, giving quite a bad angle, but I think it should be good. The back chassis again. Jeez, get stung by flies. Exactly what I need right now. Okay, I don't think this is going to be a good idea, keeping this section as steep as that is. There we go. Ooh, yes. Oh, maybe it is a bit of a technical piece. Trying to get around that without falling. Maybe reverse. Slight left turn. Get the back wheel off that ridge. A full right turn. And again, get the back wheel off that ledge. And I'm off. Damn it. There we go. I think it's lined up correctly now. So much for that. And there goes my windscreen. Very funny. Let's see if I can wiggle the front tires a little bit and get the suspension to settle on the front axle. Now all I need to do is get that. Oh, no, stay up there. Right rear. Will it? No. And just take a complete different line. Oh wow, higher. And no! Soon I won't have a windscreen left. Okay, there's also not enough space on this rock, on that little ridge for the truck. So I'm gonna have to kind of flip this around or twist it around this way. All right, now this is my final setup. I've moved the rocks around, flipped them over, tried it again. This was all off camera, but now I finally think I've got the course down to a T. There are some difficult spots in it. It's technical, it's not too easy, but I think with a steady hand and a bit of patience, we're going to get this done, no problem. Okay. Lining it up a little bit more to the right so that my left tire doesn't get stuck in that groove. Battling a little bit. I think I'm hooked up on the rear axle. Okay, swung it around, got the axle off the rock. And now, moment of truth. A little bit of speed. There we go. Perfect. Nudging that front tire up against the rock. Pulling over, easily done, and dropping off into the ditch. The nose of the car is actually just touching. If I straighten my wheels, it works quite well. Now hooking a right turn at the top, dropping those back tires in, but I think I've got enough grip, fine grip, that's for sure. And then dropping down onto the rocks that I've put in its place so that I actually manage to get past here. I need to straighten the wheels so that I can climb the ridge, and this is where we always tilted and rolled over. So I'm hoping that rock has got enough height on it so that I don't flip the car. But let's just take it easy. Yes, and I'm hoping that left tire, there we go, the left tire went off the ridge, and that was the savior this time of not rolling down. Do I find enough grip to come up here? Yes, perfect. Coming up the long ledge, and this was the rock that was too narrow. Taking the line not too close to the edge of the big boulder. Going straight over. Whoop. Back tire dropped in the hole there. This should be okay. Climbing up here, getting stuck at the top a little bit, but I'm able to just slide down with the front of the car and manage to get down without a problem. Perfect. That was a lot better than the first couple of tries, eh? Okay, let's follow him up here. The TRX for sport. Getting stuck in a couple of leaves and roots, old roots that I try to clean up. Oops, sliding over that rock. Done, well done, not a problem. Getting hooked up on the gum tree there. Okay, I think I'm out of that problem now. There is a rock under there, you just can't see it. It's just too dirty. There we go. I don't know if this is possible. Haven't tried it yet. Come up from this side. Not bad. Almost made it. That ridge is just too deep. Let's drive out, see. Maybe just place a little rock into that hole. Let me see what I find here. Maybe this sliver of lava might help us out. Jam it in there a bit. Okay, remove that one boulder altogether and let's give this another try. Finding grip on those rocks that I put there, which is the perfect amount. Being able to just travel along the ridge there. Whoa. Good speed. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. Haha, perfect. Oh, got stuck. Real speed, get over that. And we're done. Excellent stuff. And let's go back down. So guys, that's it from me this week. Don't forget, we've got more tires on the way. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and we will see you guys next week. Bye.